Welcome to my channel. Today I will explain how to create a custom operator in Apache Airflow. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Let's start. So first we create our class. So it needs to inherit from the base operator. Then we can declare templated fields. Now, if you don't know what are templated fields, you can watch a video about Jinja templating in my channel. So template fields are something like not only this parameter will be able to use Jinja templating. If you want to use Jinja templating in Airflow, you always need to declare these template fields. Then we need to create an init method. And pass self, my param, args, and quars. If you don't know what these things do, you can also watch a video in my channel. Then we need to call the base operator using the super keyword and init method, and also pass args and quars. And then we set the parameter that we receive when we create this custom operator, and we set it to our inside the variables. And then we need to create a execute method. The execute method is where your logic will live. So in our case, it will be only the print statement, and we will print our parameter. So in Python, when you use instant variables, you don't need to define them previously. Because Python create them at runtime. We also need to use apply defaults decorator on the init method. So this apply defaults ensure that default arguments provided to the DAG will also pass to each operator automatically. So you don't need to create extra step or pass extra parameters here. So any default arguments like owner, start date, email, failure specified in the default Rs dictionary when you create a DAG are automatically applied to this operator instance. And then after you created your custom operator, you just create a task as always. For example, you always need to set task ID. And then we can set my param. This parameter was created here. So this param also can use Jinja templating because we created template fields and we specify that these parameters can use Jinja. Then we just set our dependencies, wait a little until Airflow update the code. Now we can go to localhost and we see an error. So there error. So the task ID don't like spaces. Sometimes Airflow take like 30 seconds to update. Now we can see our DAG. We go to the graph, and now we see my custom operator. So summary, you create a class from base operator, you declare the template fields. If you want to change a template in Airflow, then you use apply the false decorator. You need always create the init method and execute. Inside the execute method will leave your logic. If this video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.